Good morning. It is 7:32 in the morning. I'm out in the garden. I just got through watering. Now I'm cleaning out my veggie pot where I had alyssum and lettuce in, and the alyssum kind of just overran everything. Let me show you what I did. So I've cleaned the alyssum out, and this is what it looks like. It's sitting on top of the tomato cuttings I did yesterday. So it is very dry, like the Mojave Desert. We have all kind of bees around here. That's why I made sure I got out here and watered the garden. But back to this. I am going to add more soil to it. I'm going to wet it first, then add more soil to it, then go get my seeds and start planting more lettuce and a little bit of alyssum in there. I kind of overdid it with the alyssum seeds last time, but it did help a little bit, so I'm going to plant some more alyssum too. I am growing lettuce in the summer because I really don't like buying lettuce from the store. So we got to get my lettuce, my salad bar back together this morning, so that way I can have the rest of my day and come out and water a little bit later. So this is what it looks like, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. It's now 8:01 in the morning and I have finished. So I went, sifted through the old soil, wet down the old soil real good, then put a new bag of soil on top, sifted through, mixed that up, watered it through, and let me show you what I planted. So I'm getting the seeds right now. I don't have a selfie stick, so let me show you. Okay, I planted some Tom Thumb lettuce. Put that in the pocket. Crisp mint lettuce. Romaine lettuce. Ooh, sorry. Butter Crunch, my favorite. Vats Blue Scotch Curled Kale. Some spinach. I hope it comes through, the Bloomsdale. And Merlot lettuce. Usually I would let the top down so that pests won't get in the soil. However, I'm going to leave the top up on the veggie pod for a day or two, because just like plants need water, they still need sun. So unless the wind comes and blow it over, I'm going to leave it up probably for about 48 hours. I will water it again this evening. I will come out and water it in the morning, and then water it in the evening, and hopefully some of these seeds will begin to germinate, and then I will close the top. This is a sun top, so sun could get in, but I want these seeds to get as much sun as possible so that they can germinate. So that is my strategy for now. If I see where the soil dries out, and once I'm done with this video I'm going to water it in some more, then I will be closing that top. But I really need to get germination, because I do not want to purchase lettuce from the store. I don't. So that is the end of my video for today. The pollinators have been buzzing me. I need to go ahead, finish watering this in, and then I'm going in the house to eat my breakfast. As I always say, please find peace within yourself, and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fabulous Friday. Bye.